Hey guys, good morning. I just want to do this how-to video on how to get to the lecture today on totalitarianism and how we're going to do that. So we're going to start out here in the front page on my home page. And just like yesterday, right, you guys can either click the daily agendas button or you guys can go into the Unit 7 resources. Either way, we're going to end up in the same spot. So if I click the daily agendas, it's going to pop up here so you can see all of our daily agendas, and you'd go into week 14 because that's what we are in. And then you can see here today, Tuesday, we have to look at the totalitarianism lecture. So we're going to click either on that PowerPoint because I'm getting better at this and I'm linking that there, and that will open up this PowerPoint up here, or I could go into my resources, okay, which is the same spot I would get to if I click the resources page here, and I can see in the lectures, it's the Rise of Totalitarianism. And so that's the lecture we're going to do today. So I have my lecture, Rise of Totalitarianism, ready for us to go. And I want to go down into File, and then I'm going to click all the way down, and I'm going to Print Settings and Preview. Okay, so I get to the print settings here. And just like yesterday, we know that we don't want to do this one slide without notes. We're going to click into that, and we're going to do a handout with 3 slides per page. And then it's going to give us notes here. And once again, we have to change the format of the paper. So we're going to change it to portrait instead of landscape. We always want portrait. And we're going to come down here, and we're going to hit print. And we always need to double check that our printer is on the right setting. So we do want the destination to go into OneNote. So we're going to click print. Okay, and so once again, I cheated. I already had OneNote open and ready to go. Now, here's where I messed up yesterday is I clicked, yes, I would like it to go to this current page. No, no, no. I want it to go into this current section because I haven't created the page yet. So I click in the section for history. I'm going to click OK, and then it's going to import it. And once again, you guys can see here, print out. Well, that's not the title of the lecture that we're going through. It's Rise of Totalitarianism. So I want to make sure to change that so I can keep everything nice and organized in my notebook. And I've got Rise of Totalitarianism Lecture right there, ready to go. And I can see that this has to be indented to go underneath, right? To make sure that I know that this lecture is in Unit 7 to keep all of my information together. So I want to make this a subpage. It's going to indent, and then we're ready to go. Now we're ready here to take notes and watch the video on me giving that lecture. So awesome. Very super excited. See you guys later. Bye.